My name is Barbara Meiklejohn, and I am currently Deputy Clerk of the Circuit Court for Montgomery County, and I am running for the position of Clerk of the Circuit Court in the primary election on June 24th. Maryland has had an elected clerk of the court since 1658, making it one of the oldest public offices in our state. The clerk's office was established as an independent keeper of court records, ensuring their integrity, conservation, and accessibility in a safe and impartial manner. I believe one of the top issues in my race is to inform the public of the duties and responsibilities of the Clerk of the Circuit Court and the need to elect the candidate that has the knowledge and experience to perform these duties. I am that candidate. I have over 38 years of experience within the judiciary, 27 of which has been in a leadership role. I started my career as a cashier in the civil office in 1975, and through multiple promotions, I am now in my current position as Deputy Clerk of the Circuit Court and Manager of the Juvenile Division. As Deputy Clerk, I perform all of the duties and functions of the Clerk of the Court in her absence. I have a close working relationship with the current Clerk of the Court, Loretta Knight, which will ensure a seamless transition in leadership. I have Ms. Knight's full endorsement, and she has been my mentor for the past 3 years, preparing me to be the next clerk. I am also a member of your courthouse team, which includes John McCarthy, Montgomery County State's Attorney, Darren Popkin, Montgomery County Sheriff, and Joseph Griffin, Montgomery County Register of Wills. Together, our team brings with it over 100 years of experience within the judiciary. As Deputy Clerk, I created a new computer procedure to collect essential information required by the federal government to grant full funding of foster care in Montgomery County. I have modernized courtroom information sheets to allow for easier understanding of court proceedings by new court staff. I am also part of the Circuit Court's Juvenile, Family, and Civil Differential Case Management Plan Committee to streamline case management for juvenile, family, and civil cases. Once elected as Clerk of the Circuit Court, I will examine the current practices and procedures of the departments under the Clerk of the Court. I will reassess the storage of current Circuit Court documents and filings to ensure that all safeguards are in place to guard against potential identity theft and protect confidential information stored in the court file. I will continue to work towards the most efficient and expeditious handling of all filings within the Circuit Court. I will continue to be proactive in community education and recruitment, ensuring the residents of Montgomery County understand the operations and functions of the Circuit Court, as well as the career opportunities within the court. I will also continue to prepare court staff for the implementation of Maryland Electronic Courts, or MDEC. MDEC will be our new statewide computer system. Implementation is scheduled to start later this year. Court staff will need to be prepared to handle court filings in a completely different manner than in the past. The training process will be a top priority so that the impact on Montgomery County residents and attorneys will be a minimal. So on June 24th, please cast your vote for me, Barbara Meiklejohn, the most qualified candidate for Clerk of the Circuit Court.